In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your emails by changing the font style in Zoho Mail. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss useful tech tips. We'll walk through adjusting the font for a single email and also setting a default font for all outgoing messages. To begin, log into your Zoho Mail account at mailzoho.com and enter your credentials. Once inside, click on the Compose button, usually found at the top left of your screen. This opens the email editor where you can customize your message. In the Compose window, look just above the message box for the formatting toolbar. Here, click the font drop-down menu, which might show a default like sans serif. You can then select from options like Georgia, Arial or Verdana. You can also change the font size, apply bold, italics or underline, and even adjust font colors or highlights to emphasize key parts of your email. These changes will only apply to the current email unless you set them as default. To make a default font for all emails, click the settings icon at the top right. Then go to Mail Settings and open Compose Settings. In the section called Default Font Settings, select your preferred style, size and color. Finally hit Save so every email you send reflects your chosen style. And that's it. Now your emails look more professional and aligned with your personal brand. Thanks for watching and happy emailing with Zoho Mail.